So hello guys, welcome back to new section. In this section we are going to learn about bash scripting. So any self-respecting hacker must be able to write a script. So hackers often need to automate the commands, sometimes from multiple tools, and this is most efficiently done through the short program they write as themselves. So in this section we built a few simple bash shell scripts to start off with scripting. So we will add capabilities and features as we progress. So eventually building a script capable of finding potential attack targets over a range of IP addresses. So to become an elite hacker, you also need the ability to script in one of the widely used scripting languages like Bash, Ruby, Python, or Perl. So before going into it, first of all, we need to understand what is a shell. So a shell is an interface between the user and the operating system that enables you to manipulate files and run commands, utilities and programs and many more things. So the advantage of a shell is that you perform these tasks immediately from the computer and not through an abstractions like GUI, which allows you to customize your tasks to your needs. So a number of different shells are available for Linux, including Corn shell, the Z shell, the C shell, and the Brownie again shell. So these are the shells that are most widely used inside Linux for the bash. So because the bash shell is available on nearly all the Linux and Unix distributions, so we will be using the bash shell. Okay. So the bash shell can run any system command, utility, or application your usual command line can run, but it also includes some of its own built-in commands. Okay, so as we have learned earlier that what is the use of cd, pwd, set and unmask commands. So in this particular section we'll be using two more commands. So the first one that we'll be using is echo. Echo command is used to display the message to the screen, and the next command that we'll be using here is read command. So read command is used to read the data and stores it somewhere else. So just hearing these two commands alone will enable you to build a simple but powerful tool. So you will need a text editor to create a shell script, which you can simply use whichever Linux text editor you want to use. So I'll be using the default Linux text editor and nothing more than that. So using a different Linux editor should not make any difference in your script or its functionality. It's all about how you're writing, what is your script and what you want to do. Okay, so now let's see guys how we can work with bash script inside Linux.